When it comes to keeping your home comfortable, Greeley Furnace Heating and Air stands out for service you can trust. Customers across Greeley have shared their experiences, highlighting the honesty, integrity, and dedication of the team. Whether it's a routine maintenance visit or an urgent furnace replacement during a cold snap, Greeley Furnace Heating and Air responds quickly and professionally. Their technicians are known for being thorough, friendly, and knowledgeable, making sure every detail is handled with care. Even in challenging situations, like when parts aren't available, the team goes the extra mile by providing space heaters and working late to ensure your new system is up and running. From the first phone call to the final installation, you'll notice the difference in customer care. Homeowners appreciate the clear communication, reasonable pricing, and the peace of mind that comes with reliable service. If you're looking for a company that puts your comfort first and treats you like family, Greeley Furnace Heating and Air is the name to remember for all your HVAC needs. Call us today at 970-356-0121.